implementing yesterday assignments today. First, write a console program to store through three subject student three subject marks, calculate total marks, average marks, and display total marks and average marks. So, how many outputs here we are printing? How many
Three, sir.
outputs? How many outputs? Think
Two outputs. Two.
display
Two
total
outputs.
marks and average marks. Okay, right. How many? Yeah. First three subject marks you have to store in three variables. Okay, so later how to write this program? Actually, really I'm telling you, we have to show you OP on design that this one means our digital board I have, but it's not functioning properly. If we have that, it will be very excellent way I can show you how to design the application. Let me check within 1 or 2 days I'll make rectify the problem of digital board, but it is not acting fast. It is very slow. So if you have digital board, I can show you the OP design very clearly. I will try for that. Okay, but even though, don't worry. Yeah, let's write this program. First, Renuka, observe. Whenever you want to write a program, Renuka, new student, just we have to open the Visual Studio.net. How to open Visual Studio.net means whenever you install, one icon will be there on your desktop like this. That icon you have to click, then it will open. Okay, now right. Next, after that, right, guys, you have to create a project. Here I am creating a project, new project. Otherwise, you can open the existing project. Here I already yesterday project is there that I am opening my console application project. So you are opening the project. In this project, when you will open, it will open a code window. In that code window, you will have main method. There you are going to write the program. So here, within the main method, you are going to write the program. Okay. So within the main method, here you are going to write the program. So regarding installation, you don't require to worry. I'll give you somebody, they'll help you if you are unable to do. I hope all of you guys are installed .NET software. Anybody
Yes, sir.
anybody are having problem? Shravanti, done now?
Yes, sir. Yeah, I done, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So who are unable to do installation, still you need any help? What you want? I'll come to your house, I'll do installation, or else I'll give you somebody. Because here nobody will take this risk. But what I'm telling, why I'm telling this one, if you will not do the installation, waste of attending this training. So practically every day you have to do the practicals. So that's why I'm telling you. Installation document if you want, I'll give you how to download from internet, or else if you have CDs, how to install. I have given a PDF files, or else I'll give you phone help. I'll give you a candidate. He will guide you through phone. I'll tell you where you will get the CDs also. Okay. So these are all the things I'm helping you. Right. Now come on. Here we have to write the program. According to the requirement, you have to store how many subject marks the student
Three subjects.
means you need three variables. You need three variables. So let's say first subject is M1, second subject is M2, third subject is M3. Due to that reason, first variable int M1 equal to let's say 60 into M2 equal to 70 and into M3 equal to 80. Now coming to Renuka, it is almost all similar like your C language. There in C also you are writing the program within the main method. Here you declare three variables. M1 is the name of the variable, int is the data type, 60 is the value. This is assignment operator. Semicolon indicates end of the statement. Because of the first statement, one variable will create. The name of the variable is M1. In that you are assigning a value called 60. Okay, like that three variables. Next, after that our requirement is what? Calculate total marks. Calculate total marks. Okay, when you are calculating how to calculate total marks. Okay, you need one more variable, torch marks equal to somewhere we are getting Uma from your side. Some song is coming. I don't know. Yeah. Total marks M1 plus M2 plus M3. So this is the next statement. Here you have calculated what you know, total marks, and stored into another variable. After this, you want to calculate average marks. Average marks means total marks by 3, number of subjects. AVG marks equal to total marks by 3. So that's it. Now after this, because this 3 is nothing but number of subjects. Now after this, you want to print total marks. You want to print average marks. Observe this, guys. Console.WriteLine. Console.WriteLine. I'm printing total marks. So because your total marks is having a total marks is variable is having total marks. Next, console.WriteLine and AVG marks. Coming to the this one, what is that one? Coming to the write line is a method. This console.WriteLine is similar like your printf in C language. Whenever you want to print something in C language, you will use printf. But in C#.NET, we will write a statement called console.WriteLine. Here, WriteLine is a predefined method. That method is a member of a class called predefined class called console. Console is a predefined class. This was defined by the Microsoft within a base class library called, you can observe the IntelliSense. It is telling that I was a member of a system. System is a base class library. Base class library nothing but a library which is defined by the Microsoft like header files. In that, in Java, we will call it as APIs, here base class libraries. So console class name dot is operator. It is a notation which we'll use to access the class members. WriteLine is a method, and this method functionality given by the Microsoft is will print to the given value on output window. After printing the value, it will move the cursor to next line. Next, after that, we are writing a statement called console.readline. Console.readline. Right. This is the program. This we have to write. So for this program, how this program is executing, let's try to understand line by line. After you write the program, first you have to compile. How to compile? Build solution means compiling the program. Compiling is the program is nothing but checking the syntaxes. So if every syntax is right, compiled successfully, you will get a message called build succeeded. Right, you are compiled. After that, you have to run the program. To run the program, debug, start debugging. Start debugging, or you can press a function key called F5. Or else shortcut is here they have given icon. What is icon? Start. This icon you can click. This icon you can click. This is another way. Okay, run the program. So whenever you run the program, your output is coming in console window. This window is called console window, nothing but command prompt window. Generally it will be in black color, but I changed this color to white for our clarity, nothing else. House sir, right click. Yeah, how we have changed this color means right click. 1 minute. Right click and properties we have. That is not matter. It's not related to program. Okay. Now let me explain the program execution now. Okay. Now whenever you run this program execution starts by main method. Execution engine will call first main method and it will execute first opening brace, then first statement. Because of this statement, one variable will create. It will be holding a value called 60. Second statement will create another variable holding a value called 70. Third statement will create another variable holding a value called 80. After this, control will execute this statement. In this statement, you have LHS and RHS. RHS and LHS. Whenever you have a statement like LHS and RHS, first control will execute RHS, second control will execute LHS, and third control will execute assignment operator. According to that, first RHS will execute M1 60 plus 70 plus 80. So total value will be 210. The 210 will be replaced in this expression. In RHS, this expression is replaced with a value called 210 after mathematical evaluation is completed, nothing but addition. After that, LHS will execute. LHS will create a variable. The variable name is total marks. After that, control will execute this third one, assignment operator. Assignment operator will assign the RHS value into LHS variable, nothing but 210 will be assigned into a variable called tote marks. Then after this, you can observe control will execute this statement. In this statement, what is happening? Tote marks, first RHS will execute, that is tote marks 210 by 3, 210 by 3, 210 by 3. Nothing but 210 by 3. What is that? 210 by 3. What is the mathematical value? Right, 70. 70. So RHS will be replaced with a value called 70. After that, control will execute LHS. LHS will create a variable. The variable name is AVG marks. Then after this, control will execute assignment operator, and the 70 will be assigned into your next variable. Your next variable. That next variable is what? AVG marks. Okay. Now console.writeLine tote marks. Then writeLine method will print to tote marks. Tote marks is what? 210. And writeLine method functionality is printing the value and moving the cursor to next line. According to writeLine, right now cursor is in the second line. And after that, control will execute console.writeLine have AVG marks. Here, writeLine will print 70, AVG marks is 70, and move the cursor to next line. After this, control will execute readline. This readline is doing what? Holding the command prompt window. You can observe here, this is called holding. This holding is doing by a method called readline. So how long it will hold, sir? Until user will press an enter. Now I am pressing enter. Once I press enter, my readline method execution will complete, means it will leave the command prompt window, console window. Then control will execute what closing brace of the main method. With this, execution will engine understand program execution is completed. Still, if you guys didn't understand about readline, simply you can do one thing. You can remove the readline statement and you can run the program. Yes. Now, seventh thing. Observe. Program is executed or not executed? Seventh.
Program is not executed, sir.
Seventh. Now I am doing, you observe. Program is executed or not executed?
It's not executed, sir.
Not executed. 7. Program is executed or not executed? 7. Uma, program is executed or not executed?
It's not executed.
It's not executed. Okay. Next, right. Vinyl, program is executed or not executed? Right. Okay, now next, let's say, right. Yeah. Right. Poonam, program is executed or not executed?
Executed, sir. It will not just show the CMD.
It
Not
won't give the
hold the
output
CMD.
maybe. It is executed, but I don't think we can see the output.
Yeah, that's right. Answer for my question. Had your lunch? You have to say what I had or I didn't had. You should not say lunch is not tasty. Lunch is not required that answer like that. Huh? Like that. Program is no. Don't take it personal. Just a comparison. Like answer for the question. Program is because lot of meaning is there in that question. Executed or not executed? Only one question. Correct answer.
It is executed.
Yes.
But no output.
But what is the problem?
Because we
It will not hold the CMD.
Output is displayed. Output is displayed or not displayed?
Output is displayed, but we can't see the output because of readline method.
Because output is also displayed. Output is also displayed. But what is that?
Yeah, but we can't.
Immediately window is closing. Window is closing, which we discussed in the beginning. You observe.
Yes, sir.
Make your eyes big and observe. Okay. So, right, what happened? Window is closed immediately. That is the reason in console program to hold the command prompt window, last statement should be console.readline. It is going to hold the command prompt window to make the user to see the output till he wants. That is importance of the last statement called console.readline. Whenever you write any console program, that console program should end with a statement called console.readline. Console.readline. So by this, but this you have to catch already because we discussed also. My question right now to Bhaskar. Bhaskar, are you there?
Yes, sir.
I will see. We will have 20 people. 10 more people are going to add. I like to do interaction, but what I'm telling
Yes,
you,
yes,
I
sir.
can't ask question everybody, but I'll touch the people maximum. Whenever I'm asking question, don't waste the time. Get ready for answer. You should ready. I will get the question immediately ready to answer. Okay? Right, Bhaskara. Question is, right now, program is executing or execution completed? Bhaskar.
Uh, Executing, sir. It's executing.
It's executing. Very good.
It's not.
It's executing means whenever you are telling it's executing means among this 5-6 lines code, it should execute one statement. Right now it is executing which statement?
Read
Last
lines.
statement. Console dot read line.
Right now, it is
Console dot read line.
right now it is executing which statement, guys?
Console dot read line.
Very good. Console dot read line is executing. Okay, up to here I hope everybody are clear. Huh? Right up? Yes.
Yeah. But I have a question, sir.
Sure.
In this tote marks that you have given, can't we write as a 2 different words like total and give a space and write marks?
No, madam. Today Annaprasan. Tomorrow slowly we'll increase the food. One day, first day Annaprasan day itself, we have given biryani to kid. What will happen? That's the reason. Wait. Everything will cover. Don't worry. Just you observe me. Observe class. Everything. What you are expecting. You will get a doubt, Slowly, you observe. Your doubt will get clear in my training. Okay. Next level that only. Okay. Now we are in the first step. Next second step. Okay. Right. We'll see. Total marks are. Average marks are. Otherwise, Rama total marks are. Rama average marks are like that. Different outputs you will write. Don't worry. Okay, no? Yes. Now, guys, right. We are going for the next program. That is next program is yeah. Right. So you have to do. I don't know what is the word we have to use for this. Tapas under Telugulo. Tapassu. What is the word for that? I don't know. I don't know good English. Frankly, I'm telling. Tapassu అంటే ఏమంటారు దట్ ఐ డోంట్ నో వాట్ ఇస్ ద వర్డ్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ తపస్సు శివులు తపస్సు చేస్తారు కదా దాన్ని తపస్సు అంటాం చూడు అదేంటి అంటారు ఇంగ్లీష్ వాట్ ఇస్ ద వర్డ్ ఫర్ దట్ ఐ డోంట్ నో ఓకే ఫైన్ you listen so you should be like that you guys then only you will get ultimate output you can do miracles okay so even though you can touch you are over in US I'm telling you 80k package you can expect 80 to 100k you can expect. See, let's say I am asking you to do 4 assignments. Your attitude should be to do 10 assignments because in front of you have lab book. So take it and you think yourself. I am designing this tasks. You can also design. You can also design so many tasks. You do that. Now these 2 months, my advice is forget about all the activities and switch off mobiles. Okay, only class assignment. You do like that, you are more than me. End of the training, you will have more than my knowledge. I'm sure about that. Whatever I gathered in this 12 years experience, you can gather in 2 months. Huh? But you have to spend more hours. Huh? Right. Now, write a console program to store 3 products cost. That is P1 cost, P2 cost, P3 cost and calculate the total bill. So it is a simple program. Right. Now you guys, you see. Right. So I'm clearing the code. And whenever you are doing these practicals, don't do the copy paste because here we are not working for company. Here we are working to learn programming. Okay. So every line you have to write again and again. So right. First product. Okay. Actually, products cost means it will have floating value, but we didn't discuss data types. Next topic, data types only. So if you want to take, yes, we can go with the double also. Double.
Yes, sir.
P1 cost equal to, let's say 1,000 rupees. First product. And whenever you are taking values also, take it simple values. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 or 100, 200, 300. Rama, Sita. Okay. Now double P2 cost equal to 2,000. Next, double P3 cost equal to 3000. 3000. Total how many variables?
3 variables.
Three products you purchased from the shop. Then what happened? 3 products cost you stored into 3 variables. Then you want to do what? You observe the requirement. Want to do
Total
what?
bill.
Calculate the total bill. Okay, simple program. Okay, calculate the total. Double total bill
Total bill.
equal to P1 cost plus P2 cost plus P3 cost. Now your total bill was there. Okay. Now print console dot write line total bill. Console dot write line total bill. Console dot write line total bill. Total bill. Okay now you see compilation and execution. When you run the program, you got output one line, but you have written 5-6 line code. Okay, here we are not worrying about output. We are trying to write more and more logic. That is my idea. So seeing output is not matter. Here you have to trace the code line by line, and you have to understand that logic and how it is executed. Whenever you run this program execution starts from main method. First, this statement will create a variable P1 cost and having a value called 1000. Second variable P2 cost 2000. Third variable. Then after this, here now here now Shravanti, tell me, in this fourth statement, this statement will execute in how many levels, how many steps? 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4 step. No steps.
2 steps, sir.
Yeah. Okay. All of you guys, whenever there is a question, I am asking question to Shravanti. She is answering orally. Remaining people can respond through chat. That is also one type of interaction. And don't be lazy. Be active. Be alert. Be responsible. Okay. You right. How many steps, Shravanti? Shravanti. How many? I didn't listen.
Sir.
2 or 2 or
steps,
1
sir.
or 2, right?
Yeah.
What are the 2? First step, what it will happen?
LHS and RHS.
First
Console
what?
dot write line total.
First, no. I am talking about this statement. This statement will execute in how many steps?
3 steps.
3 steps, sir.
Yeah, 3 steps. Even though you people are confused, it is 3 steps, guys. First, RHS will execute. RHS is what? 1000 plus 2000 plus 3000. It will evaluate it and it is replacing with a value called 6000. Okay, now 6000. Now remove the expression. Okay. Next, LHS will execute. Step 2 will create a variable. Next, assignment operator. Assign the RHS value into LHS. RHS value into LHS. LHS. Next, after this, control will execute console.writeLine. Total bill. WriteLine method will print what you know. Will print total bill. Total bill is what? 6000, and will move the cursor to next line. After this, control will execute console.readline. This readline is doing what you know, holding the command prompt window until user will press an enter. Okay. Once you press enter, readline will leave. This is a story about this program. Right, over. Next, third program. Coming to the third program is, yes, here what is this, you know, write a console program to store 3 products cost and calculate total bill and give 10% discount. Display the total bill after discount. Display the total bill after discount. So you have to calculate the total bill and display the after discount. Okay. So you have to calculate. So for the existing program only, yes, here total bill. After that you have to calculate what discount. How much discount?
10%.
Whenever you want to calculate the discount like this, so you have to take one more variable. Double disc equal to total bill 10% means simple mathematical calculation. I'm telling you 0.10. That's it. 10% means 0.10. 20% means 0.20, like that. You
0.20.
can write other way also, simple mathematics. So now you have to print what? You have to print what? You have to print what? Total bill after discount. Total bill after discount means minus or plus or
Minus
minus. What minus? What minus?
Minus
6,000 minus
Total bill
600.
equal to total bill minus discount. Total bill minus
discount.
discount. Okay. Then after that you have to print what?
Sir, you have to
Finally.
write
1 minute.
double.
Display total bill after discount. Okay. Total bill minus discount. Then you are printing the total bill. Now come on. Any question?
No, you have to write double total bill. Total bill.
No. That confusion should come.
It's almost declared.
Not required. Why? Because I'll tell you. Uma, who is the person asking
Yes,
question?
sir.
Yeah, Uma,
I
you have a kid. You have a kid. Okay. So you have done. You have given a name to that kid. Namakarana antam kada. You have given a name. Rama. So again next year also you will give a name to that kid, or same name you will continue.
Same name.
Same way. Already you declared this total bill is your kid. Already you declared type is what? Double. Already you declared.
Okay.
You don't require to declare one more time. Okay. First only one time you
Okay.
declare. That's it. Right. Now
So
guys.
to perform mathematical changes will the computers. Okay. Okay. Sir.
Understood? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, these are all the basic programming. Generally, this type of programming, you guys generally who are done BTech and MCA has to learn in every academic, India to US, any university you take. If you take any technical education which is related to computer science, in the first year of your education, they are giving in your syllabus C language to understand all these logic and programming concepts. So actually, C language nowhere you will use in industry, but in every academic you see, BTech, any branch you see, first year you will have the C, because C is the basic programming language to enter into IT industry. So that C programming basics I am teaching in C#.net right now, because this foundation is very, very important. If you have this type of foundation, on that foundation you can construct 100 floors also. Even though tsunami will come also, we don't have any problem. We can sleep happily. Okay, that is the story here. Come on, let me trace the program, compilation and execution. Whenever you run this application, what is happening, you see, first this variable will be holding 1000, this variable will be holding 2000, this variable will be holding 3000. After this, you can observe what happened. This statement is going to execute. Now here, Sukanya, can you speak? Sukanya, right? Next year, right? Yeah, next year, right? Yeah. First RHS will execute. RHS is what? P1 cost, P2 cost plus P3 cost. That is 1000 plus 2000 plus 3000. That is called how much? 6000. RHS will contain a value called 6000. And after this, control will execute LHS. LHS is what? Total bill. Total bill creating a variable. Next, control will execute assignment. RHS will be assigned into total bill.
Operator.
Okay, na? Right. Next, after this, control will execute. After this, control will execute this statement. In this statement, what is that? In this statement, what is that? Again, RHS. RHS means what? Total bill. Total bill. Total bill is what? 6000 into 0.10. 0.10 means per 1000, 100 rupees. So for 6000, because of this mathematical calculation, what will happen?
600 rupees will be deducted.
1000 into 10 by 100 in maths, we will calculate like that. So what is that? 600. This calculation will give a value called 600. 600 will be in the RHS. 600 will be in the RHS. And LHS will create a variable. And next assignment, 600 will be assigned into disk 600. Then after this, control will execute next statement. Here, first RHS will execute. RHS is what? Total bill. Total bill is how much? 6,000. 6,000. And discount 6,000 means what? What is will happen? 6,000. 6,000 minus disk is what? 600. Then what is the value in RHS? 5,000. 5,400. 5,400. And then control will go to LHS. Now here you will get a doubt. Sir, again will create a variable. No, it will not create. Already variable is there. That is, it's not variable declaration. Variable already declared. Here what it will do exactly means it will what you can say, it will recognize the total bill, where are you? It will recognize. Total bill will say I am here, but already you have a value called what 6,000. Old value is 6,000. Then what will happen? Because of assignment operator, this 5,400 will be assigned. At a time in a chair, at a time in a single chair, how many people can sit? One person. Like that, at a time a single variable can contain only one value. 5,400 will be reinitialized. Override. Override means this 6,000 will override and 5,400 will be initialized. After this, console.writeLine total. Then it will print what 5,400. Output is just single value, but behind the logic is very, very important to become a good programmer. That's it. Right. Are you clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, next coming to the next requirement, write a console program to store 3 products cost and calculate next level. You can observe next level, because here program looks, Poonam said to me, sir, the program looks very simple. That's why I didn't try second and third, because to reach fourth program, we are starting the domain example from second. Try to understand. Okay, step by step. Don't skip the steps. Okay. So first nursery, next LKG, next UKG, next first class. Okay. Directly LKG, UKG, child is performing very well. Parents will be excited and moved the child to third class. No first class, no second class. Then child will become, so dull. So child career is spoiled by the parents because of parents overaction. Okay. Right. So that's it. Right, now listen, next let's go for the fourth example. 3 products, same to same, but yeah, 20% discount. After discount, calculate 10% tax. You went to the shop, they are giving 20% discount. On total bill, you discount 20% discount, you reduce. After that, they will calculate 10% tax. Discount will be minus and the tax will be plus. Okay, right. See, every day we will have this experience. Okay. Now let's see. So 20% means 0.20 changing. Okay. Now discount is what? Minus. Next you have to calculate tax. Double tax equal to on which bill? Total bill. Total bill into 0.10. 10. Now tax. Now what again? Total bill equal to total bill plus or minus or?
Plus, sir.
Very good. That's tax. Don't confuse here. Don't get confused. Okay. Right. Yes. Now console.writeLine total bill. Okay. Now right. You this is the next program. Okay. Now yes. Now let's see. What is this? Run the application. You see. Now program execution starts by main method. First 3 products cost, 3 variables. Then 1,000 plus 2,000 plus 3,000. 6,000 will be assigned into total. Now you see 6,000 into 0.20. How much value? 6,000 into 0.20. How much? 6,000 into 0.20. 20%.
1,200 minus, sir. 6,000 minus 1,200.
No. Here. I am talking about 1,200.
4,000.
The 1,200 will be stored into a variable called disk. Discount is 1,200. Next to 6,000 minus what? 6,000 minus what?
1,200. 1,200.
Huh? 1,200. 6,000
1200.
is what? 1200. Okay, na? 1200. What is that 1200?
4,000.
12,
It's a
6,000
discount.
minus 1200. How much? 4,800. The
Discount.
4,800 will be reinitialized to a variable called total. A variable called total. Okay, right. Next, yeah, right. Next, after that, tax total. How much total? 4,800
4,800
into
plus
0.10. 4,800 into 0.10. How much?
480.
What is that? How much?
480. 480.
480. Here this is replaced with a value called 480 and LHS will create a variable and 480 will be assigned into tax variable. Okay, next total bill is how much? 4,800 plus tax. How much? 4,800 plus tax. How much?
5,280, sir.
5,280. I hope 5,280 na? Right. Next, total bill. Total bill is what? The old value will be replaced with 5,280. Now console dot write line total bill. Console dot write line total bill is printing. This is the story. So if you want to, when I am explaining, you will feel very smooth, but it is not like that. The pacing has to do by the student. Due to that reason, today what I am doing, yes, what you have to do. Assignment for today is assignment for you is assignment for you is trace Jabo 4 programs with mathematical calculations and output. What is this, sir? Okay, I'll tell you. Very simple. Take paper. Okay. Now left side write the program. Left side you write the program. Whatever you have written. Right side. Keep OP. Guys, follow me. I will follow this procedure in Hyderabad training also. It will be very effective. Right side. Pen paper. No system, nothing. OP. Okay. Suppose. Yes. Program execution starts by main. First this statement. What this statement is created? One variable. How? P1 cost variable. One variable you have to show like this. P1 cost and value is what? 1,000. Value is what? 1,000. And here you have to show it is double. It is double. You have to show it is double. Like that. Last in this statement. You have to write like this. How you have to write? I'll show you. P1 cost 1,000. You have to write mathematical 1,000 plus P2 cost 2,000 plus P3. According to the execution process, you have to write the mass equations. And left side, total bill. Okay, don't write total bill first because total bill will not execute first. Total bill. Yeah. And here one box because it is a variable. And here you show it is double. Next to, but don't direct write the value. Next to write how much? 6,000. 6,000. You write like this. 6,000. Next step. And in the next step, what happened? 6,000 is assigned. You show like this. 6,000 is assigned. Okay. How your statement is executing, you have to show very clearly. Next, suppose this one, this line, how, sir, how? Very simple. 6,000 into 0.20. Next, that is how much? 1,200. 1,200, and 1,200. 1,200. And the left side you have to show total bill. And 1,200 should be assigned like this. Did you understand my expectation? Last you have to print the value here. Last, but don't do for my satisfaction. You do for your sake. Like every line what you are doing here, step by step you have to trace like this with pen and paper. I'm sure you will become a good programmer. Whether you studied BA or BCom, not matter. Okay, na? This is the assignment for you. 4 programs, 4 papers. Suppose you are not getting properly, just try and throw that paper in dustbin, take next paper. You are not getting, try next, like that. 4 programs. If you are able to do this type of tracing, I'm sure you will get good results. That is the assignment for today. Okay, thank you very much. Yeah, we'll meet tomorrow. Same. We'll go to the next level if you are completed all these things. Okay, thank you very much. Bye to all. Anybody wants to talk to me, please wait. Remaining people can leave for today.